Side hustles that lead to millionaire status. Diving into ventures beyond the typical 9-to-5 routine allows individuals to tap into diverse streams of revenue, fostering financial resilience and independence. This exploration unveils a realm where ordinary efforts have the extraordinary potential to sculpt a millionaire's journey. Number 1. E-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store is like unlocking a door to rich status. It's creating a virtual shop on the internet where you sell things. Imagine having your own store online, and people can check out and buy whatever you're selling. Whether it's unique handmade crafts or the latest gadgets, you get to decide. The trick is to pick something people really want and make sure the whole online shopping process is smooth. Platforms like Shopify make it easy for you to start without a lot of trouble. It's basically running your own business, but it's on the internet, and you could sell to people all over the world. 2. Stock trading. Like playing the money game in the business world. You're basically buying and selling shares of companies on something called the stock market. When you buy shares, it's like you're becoming a part owner of that company. If the company does well, the value of your shares goes up, and that's how you make money. It's a way to grow your money over time. But here's the catch. The stock market can be a bit unpredictable, and there are risks involved. It's kind of like putting your money on the success of businesses. With the right knowledge and strategy, though, stock trading can be a powerful side hustle to help you on the path to becoming a millionaire. 3. Dropshipping. A modern way of doing business that skips the headache of managing inventory. Here's the lowdown. You set up an online store, people buy stuff from it, and then you buy that stuff from someone else who ships it straight to the buyer. No need to stress about keeping products in stock or dealing with shipping. It's like running a store without having a physical shop. Dropshipping can be a pretty lucrative side hustle if you can find the right products and create a smooth operation. Just keep in mind that building a good relationship with reliable suppliers is crucial, and customer satisfaction is your ticket to success in the dropshipping game. 4. Blogging. More than just putting words on a screen. It's having your own space on the internet where you can share your thoughts, expertise or experiences with the world. It's a way for you to express yourself and connect with people who are interested in what you have to say. Plus, you can make some money from it. Imagine partnering with companies to write sponsored content or displaying ads on your blog. These are ways you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture. Some bloggers even sell their own products, adding another income stream. Building a successful blog takes time and consistency. You need to find your niche, something you're passionate about and that others want to read. It's like creating your own little online community where people come back regularly to see what you've got to share. Think of it as a fulfilling and profitable side hustle. With dedication, you can turn your love for writing into a rewarding online adventure. 5. Event photography. If you have a passion for photography, event photography could be a lucrative side hustle. This involves taking pictures at events like weddings, parties or corporate gatherings. People are willing to pay for quality event photos that capture special moments. With the right skills and equipment, you can build a reputation and start getting paid for your work. Imagine getting paid for doing something you already enjoy. As you build up your skills and take awesome shots, you can start getting paid gigs and building up a reputation in the photography world. So, it's making some extra money doing something you love. Step into a realm of financial wisdom and growth at braylennavy.com. Your gateway to financial success awaits. Join us, we'll see you there. 6. Podcasting. Podcasting is like having your own radio show on the internet, where you can share your thoughts, experiences, or even discuss your favorite topics. It's a fantastic way to express yourself and connect with people who share similar interests. As your audience grows, you can make money through sponsorships or ads, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Imagine talking about something you love and getting paid for it. That's the power of podcasting. 7. Remote IT support. Remote IT support is all about using your tech skills to help people fix their computer issues without being physically present. If you're good with computers, you can offer your services online, assisting others with software problems, troubleshooting, or setting up their tech devices. It's a convenient way to turn your tech-savvy abilities into a source of income. Picture yourself as the hero who saves the day by solving tech glitches, all while working from the comfort of your own space. 8. Handmade jewelry sales. Creating and selling handmade jewelry is a fantastic way to turn your artistic skills into a profitable side hustle. Whether you design bracelets, necklaces, or earrings, people appreciate the uniqueness of handmade items and are willing to pay for that personal touch. Selling your creations online or at local markets allows you to showcase your creativity and make some serious money. It's about building a business that reflects your artistic side and appeals to those who appreciate handmade treasures. 9. Handmade soap or candle making. Like blending art and science in your own kitchen. You get to create unique and delightful products that people love. Whether you sell them online, at craft fairs, or in local shops, there's a market for handmade goods. People are drawn to the idea of using something special and crafted with care. It's transforming your hobby into a business that brings joy to customers and adds some extra cash to your pocket. 10. Online coaching for specific skills. This allows to share your expertise and help others improve in areas where you excel. Whether you're skilled in gaming strategies, coding, or ACING exams, there are people willing to pay for your guidance. Conducting online coaching sessions is a flexible way to monetize your skills, and as your reputation grows, so does your earning potential. It's leveraging that expertise to make money while assisting others on their journey to improvement. Side hustles open doors to millionaire aspirations, allowing individuals to diversify income and journey towards financial abundance. Beyond the pursuit of monetary gains, engaging in side hustles opens doors to skill enhancement, fostering an entrepreneurial mindset, and providing a sense of empowerment. This path transcends the ordinary, offering an inclusive route to millionaire status for those determined and open to opportunities. When reflecting on side hustle's role in wealth creation, it's clear that it's holistic, involving personal growth, resilience, and the thrill of navigating uncharted territories. The stories of those who have transformed their side hustles into financial success underscore the transformative power of embracing unconventional paths. The lesson here is that ordinary efforts, when channeled strategically into various ventures, have the potential to yield extraordinary results, bringing the prospect of millionaire status within reach for those willing to seize the opportunities presented by the world of side hustles. The journey towards millionaire status is a narrative of empowerment, adaptability, and breaking free from conventional norms. It exemplifies the idea that financial success is not a distant dream but a tangible reality awaiting those who dare to explore, innovate, and persist in their pursuits. This narrative invites individuals to surpass limits, embrace their entrepreneurial spirit, and redefine possibilities in personal and financial achievement.